In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical animated timeline in Webflow using animations, grid, and responsive design. As we embark on this creative journey, you'll gain insights into bringing your Webflow projects to life with fastidious detail and vibrant animations. Let's dive right in. To start, we're going to open up Webflow. If you're new to Webflow, don't worry. It's a tool that allows you to design and build responsive websites visually. In this tutorial, we'll harness this power to create a dynamic, animated timeline that responds beautifully to various screen sizes. Begin by creating a new project or opening an existing one where you want to feature your timeline. Once you're ready, let's move on to setting up the grid. Grids are incredibly powerful for structuring layouts because they allow for a clean and organized design. Add a grid to your page and establish the rows and columns that will form the basic structure of the timeline. This step is foundational, as it defines how your elements will interact and flow. Next, it's time to populate our grid with content. Insert div blocks into the grid cells where you want your timeline events to appear. Think of each div as a placeholder for a timeline entry. Feel free to get creative with how you want these entries to look. You can add text, images, or any other content that fits your narrative. Remember that maintaining uniformity is key to a professional design. It's useful to preview your work frequently in the Webflow Designer to ensure that your content is aligned and looking good. Now let's add some animations. Webflow's interaction tool is ideal for this part of the process. Select an element you want to animate, navigate to the interactions panel, and create a new interaction. For our timeline, we want to trigger animations as the user scrolls. Choose a scroll triggered animation and start defining your animations. You can adjust properties like opacity, position, and end size to achieve the desired effect. It's important to preview your animations multiple times to ensure they're smooth and appear as you intend. Responsive design is the next big consideration as we refine our timeline. We must ensure that it looks great on all devices, from large desktops to small mobile screens. Webflow makes this easy with its responsive design controls. By switching between device views, you can adjust the size and position of your grid and elements to fit different screen widths. This ensures that your timeline maintains its integrity and remains legible and visually pleasing across all devices. Finally, it's time to test your work. Publish your project and view it live in a browser. Scroll through the timeline and check every animation. It's crucial to go through your project on different devices if possible, to make sure everything is working as it should. Revisiting your timeline now and then can also inspire improvements or enhancements as you grow more comfortable with Webflow and design principles. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now built a vibrant and responsive vertical animated timeline using the magic of Webflow. Keep experimenting and expanding your design skills. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy designing!